Okay guys, I am back at the same location in which I've been for the past week, where in which I am trying to catch some, well, at least a few of the tilapia that actually comes out, wash out here during the case of when they're actually changing, well, not really changing, harvesting the fish. And so I brought my breeding net and my breeding basket, right? And I was able to catch one. I'm gonna see if I can actually catch another. Wow, there's another right there. I'm gonna see if I can catch it. Alright, so I'm gonna try and see if I can. No, yes. I'm gonna see if I can. I'm still in my hair clothes, guys. But I was just saying that this is a great adventure to actually look at. This is an old breeding box in which I made a few years ago. I'm gonna see if I can actually use it and round up a few tilapia from this space, right? Right, it is. And I got it, guys. It's easier than the last time, right? So I end up got two, right? Don't know if there's any more. But the red color on the red color on the the red color in which they have make it very easy for me to catch it, right? So my breeding net, my breeding box end up becoming what do I call it now, a space in which I use to actually catch some tilapia. And these tilapia are coming from the farm. I'm trying to see if I can catch any more. So I got two, right? The last time I did this was probably about 2 years ago, right? And I came by the other day and I saw that they were actually letting out the water to actually do some harvesting. And then I realized that fish was actually in the water when it's been released. So I am actually, wow, there are two large tilapia right here that is trapped and can't move because there they are. They can't move because the water height is very low. So I'm gonna see if I can use this box and trap them. Right? So there it is. They're hiding in this thing. I'm gonna see if I can pause a little bit and then I go. Right? So they are in this water hiding. If I get these two, I just leave. I feel so embarrassing. I'm in my dress clothes. I'm not prepared for this. My shoes is muddy. And I just feel awkward, guys. I think I see them. I'm gonna try and see if I can push at least one of them in the box. Guys, I nearly catch it. Let's try again. I got it, guys. I got one. Woo! Nice. Okay. So I am just gonna see if I can come back and catch the other one, right? And usually these are not monosex. They can be male or female, right? Normally they use the fan, the fan, electric fan that you have in your house. That's what they use and catch them. But in using that, the fish would sometimes jump out. Alright? So, as a result of that, guys, I'm able. Whoa, look how much it dropped back down in the water. Alright, I'm gonna go for the two which I have here. Water's a little bit shallow, but I'm gonna see if I can actually, I'm gonna add a little water to it. And then I try to catch the other big one. So I managed to catch, the last time I was here, I caught 7. Now I have roughly 3, right? I'm going to see if I can catch the other large one in which I see in that puddle. And if they don't release any water anytime soon, the puddles will turn to stream, and then what will end up happening is that they will actually die. And sometimes scavengers like large birds may come along and consume them. If you hear me breathing hard, it's because it's not an easy task, guys. So I'm gonna try and see if I can catch another one, and then I'll just call it a day. By the way, this is private property, right? But there's no fence right now, so I'm practically on private property. Alright, so here's another one. Alright, so I got the other one. I'm gonna leave. There are opportunities for more, and I'm not gonna be greedy. I just did it to show you how some persons actually do, what some persons actually do, so as to get their stock of brood stock for their tilapia space, right? And sometimes persons might get lucky and get the large ones and actually cook them at the same time after catching them, right? So last time I got 5, this time I got 4, and a little bit more equipped than the last time. That's it, guys. Have a wonderful day. Peace out. Catch you next time. Bye bye.